have my RC Era C032 or the Huey UH1 RC helicopter. So right now I'm going to test flight again that cute RC helicopter of mine. So it's a brushless version. Very nice RC helicopter. Very nice design, detail. Of course brushless. Very nice motors, sweet flyer, smooth and quiet. It has a quiet motor when you fly it, and it has 7.4 volts battery, LiPo battery. And right now I'm going to fly this little bad boy here. There's a very nice design. I love it. Oh, I almost forgot the battery, but this one is a bit it's a bit expensive compared to Bell 206, because maybe because of the main motor difference. This one has a brushless motor on board, so it's more, it lasts longer, more powerful, efficient, a bit quieter compared to the brush ones. But its tail motor, it's still a cordless motor, but it's nice, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to fly this here again, my favorite flying field, this one here. It is a road under construction with a bridge under construction right over there to decongest the traffic right here at the city. So anyway, it's a holiday today in the Philippines. We are celebrating Eid Mubarak. Like, I don't know, it's for our Muslim brothers and sisters. So it's a national holiday today. So I'm glad I can be able to play and fly my RC Era C032, which is very nice. I love the color combinations, the paint job, and of course the efficiency of this. Okay, brushless motor. Anyway, I want to go and fly this one for some fun. Okay, remote controller first, and then you have to push the battery until you hear a click sound. Means if you hear a click sound, it means it's already locked in place. Like that. So there's a power button here. You just have to press it a bit, like 2 seconds. Then you see a flashing lights here, so it means it's waiting for the controller to bind. So of course, to bind it, the usual, you have to move the throttle stick up down. Now you see it's no longer flashing, it's already steady light. But this one, it's still flashing because this one, I think it's not a bind light, it's a strobe light. I think it's kind of design. Anyway, you see there's a red light here in the left side and the green light here for the orientation, in my opinion, especially for those beginner pilots. Anyway, I want to fly this one again. This is my favorite. So second rate. So this is the basic radio, and it's very basic for AA batteries. Anyway, without further ado, I wanna test flight again the RC Era C032. Here we go. Ooh, nice. Ooh, you can hear and feel the power talaga of the brushless motor. It's really, you know, the paddle, the sound of the paddle of the main blade, main propeller. It's really slicing through the air. You can hear and feel the power talaga. It's slicing into the air. You can really feel it. You can really feel the power. Oh, you can really feel the power talaga of the brushless motor on board. You see, even on the broad daylight, the lights, the orientation lights are very visible, too visible, which is very nice in my opinion, because especially this is designed for beginners, in my opinion, for orientation purposes. You see, I can still see it from afar. It's very visible, guys. It's very nice. Very nice for orientation, especially for the beginners. Nice, you see? I still see the orientation light. Ooh, ah. I don't know if it's I mean, if it according to the specs of this, it has a optical flow. I don't know if it's working or if it's a real optical flow. I don't know, or maybe it's just a marketing hype just to entice the buyer. I don't know, but I don't know. I really don't know if it's if it has. Let me check if it's already for this, because it's already have an altitude hold. Oh, nice. Anyway, this one is very nice to fly. Very good flyer. And I love the controller. It's very responsive, guys. It's very responsive, you know. Okay, long distance. Very responsive RC controller and very stable connection. Very responsive, very proportional, guys. I love the response of the controller. Ooh. I love it. This is my first time to fly RC helicopter in a distance like this, a bit far, because this is a very tiny, this is a micro RC helicopter, so it's almost impossible to see this from afar, especially in a camera. So what I do is just I fly this in a very close manner, because this is a small aircraft, so it's very hard to, this one is very hard to see already in the camera, especially if you are using a low resolution camera. So I prefer to just fly this closer to me. But for the purpose of testing this, sometimes I fly this in a distant manner like this to test the radio's capability, connection. Yeah. I love it. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think that's it. Time to land. Grabe, I really enjoy the brushless motor of this. I really love the sound of the brushless motor of this. You can feel and see the difference between a brushless and a brush motor, you know. Brushless motor is obviously very powerful. You can hear the paddle, you can hear the sound of the main blade when it rotates. You can really feel the power. It's like it's cutting through the air. You can hear the power through the way it rotates. Yeah, very efficient and powerful, very powerful. Right.